Hi guys, welcome to the StockFit Starter course. Now this is a beginner level course to get you to manufacture furniture items that are available on the StockFit website or to design and make your own. So the starter course, what we've done is we've decided to use a normal small side table design which isn't too complicated to manufacture, just to get you going. Now what we'll do is we'll cover this from the design stage, which is the sketching stage, into the Fusion 360 3D modeling environment where we'll take our sketch and convert it into a 3D model. And then from the 3D model, we will then go into the CAM and machining side of things. Once that's complete, we'll take all the panels off the CNC machine and we'll actually assemble and manufacture our side table. So during this course is a step-by-step guide from the design to the final product and everything in between. I really do hope you enjoy this lesson. Let's go.